Okay. Shut up. Yeah, shut up. Hey, you should have built more manners, so that is not study eggs. Oh, really? I don't want to study eggs again. We can't trust you. You want to study eggs again? No. We're not going to study eggs. Yeah, I know it. Me too. Okay. Where's the eggs? Right over there. That's so far. It looks like it's 1 yard. Young Law is just one. What do you think? You can sort Sneaker because of laser eyes. Huh? Oh, stop. You got to drink some coffee. I'm thirsty. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I wish I could put the birds in there. Come on. Only big. Okay, this time. I wished it! Whoa! Nice one, King Pig. Yeah, it's a lot. I wish I could build an old prison. I'm still mad. Let's get out of this prison quickly. Oh, come on, then you built it. I hate you built it. Oh yeah, remember the behind secret? Oh yeah, I remember in episode 11. Nice! It's open already. Yeah, we can push the books out of here. It's so high. Hey, this is not big. This one looks like the same thing as in episode 11. But this is episode 1, season 1. Anyway. Whoa! Who pushes up? Too late, bird! You're trapped! Aw, man. Look all wasted. We're trapped already. What are you gonna do with us? Feel your own feelings. I'm the king of the pigs. You have no way to stop me.